Okay, sorry everyone. Alright, now, while most of you were walking around with all your bullets, we also had some special guest judges. I'd like to take an opportunity to introduce those. We have Mark Davis from WBAP. He came out. And John Gessner, past president of the Dallas Restaurant Association. Not to worry, all the chefs and the restaurants knew we had them coming out. But we had them walk around, rate everybody, and we've got little plaques for those.
Show up every
I got picky taste, and the ones I really wanted aren't in stock yet, but for first place, they will be engraved, and hopefully they'll be proud enough to put them up in their restaurants. We'll have first, second, third starting out. Coming in third place tonight was Restaurant Ava. Coming in second place this evening, we have Blue Canyon. I really do have them on order, I promise. Don't forget it's for charity, that's why we're doing it this way. And first place, I had nothing to do with this, Culpeper Steakhouse. Now for the big cup. This is the one you guys had all your bullets for. You're off to beat the boots. So this is the people's choice. The goal is, again, to make this an annual event. The winner gets this in their restaurant for the year. We get a plaque put on it next year. Turn it around. Hopefully we get it built up like the Stanley Cup and it's taller than that. So, first place, by bullet count, Culpeper Steakhouse.
My top favorite.
Look, you guys, this has really nothing to do with me. This has everything to do with all my friends and all my chefs in Rockwall that are such great accountants. Every one of these guys has shown up and put forth their best foot. And you guys need to go out and try every one of these restaurants, not just ours, because they're wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And I appreciate every one of these guys that's showing up. Look, it's on our home turf. It's our first year. You know, I haven't put the best foot forward, but every one of these guys does a great job every night. And I would go to every one of them. Yes, and ladies. And ladies. I go to every one of them. Hands down, bar none. They are champions no matter what. I appreciate everybody for coming out. It's a wonderful event, and we highly, highly needed the helping hands, money, so that they can get stuff for the needed. And that's what it's all about tonight.